Radiology is really at a transition, very similar to what you see in broader healthcare. And it's this transition from, let's say, volume to value. And radiology specifically is struggling with what is value. Is value really getting a diagnostic result? Is value getting that result at the right cost? Is value about driving the optimal patient experience? Well, it turns out it's all of those things. So what Philips is really evolving to is, how do we look at holistically end-to-end care? And specifically in diagnostics, if we zoom in on that, how do we look at it holistically, from order to exam to therapeutic result to follow-up? And then how does that whole radiology system plug into the rest of healthcare? So if I look at care today, care is really delivered in sort of series of episodes. And so it's like a quilt. So it's stitched together, this square here and this square here, and then put it together, and everybody has their own quilt. And this idea of seamless care it's this idea of one blanket, and that blanket might change its shape or form for the different patient. And that's really what, fundamentally we're going for. It's moving from this quilt, to this one blanket that's really engulfing the patient, if you will. Imagine now what that might do to changing various diseases, oncology, neurology, cardiology areas. I think as Philips, what we're really trying to do is look at that patient experience holistically. All of those elements, not just technology. How do we go after the big problems of the day? And I think if we look at radiology, this is about access to diagnostics. Fundamentally, can we get diagnostics at a cost level, at a level of ubiquitousness, so meaning it's anywhere available? This is really fundamentally how we think about, improving the lives of people. It's this idea of access and being able to be much more outcome driven in the healthcare experience.
Innovation and you, Philips.